When you say Bukit Damansara, you think of old money, an atas place, and a hillside enclave full of huge bungalows. It is also often referred as the Beverly Hills of Malaysia. Did you know Bukit Damansara's bungalows rank among Kuala Lumpur's most exclusive properties? This area has long been known as a place for where corporate CEOs, politicians, and old money live. But even in a place like this, change is in motion. New lifestyle hubs like Pavilion Damansara Heights and Damansara City are shifting the landscape, offering luxury shopping and upscale dining that attract Kuala Lumpur's elite. Even Tesla opened its second showroom here, outside of its HQ in Cyberjaya. It's no surprise that Tesla chose this neighbourhood. It's a statement of how Bukit Damansara is evolving into a hub for innovation, luxury, and modern living. In the past, you need a car to live here. Bukit Damansara is all about big houses, long traffic jams, and not much public transport. But that's changed. The MRT brought two stations right into the area, Semantan and Pusat Bandar Damansara. Office workers, students, and even long-time residents now have the option to skip the traffic and hop on the train. It connects easily to places like KL Central and TRX. But through it all, the heart of Bukit Damansara stays the same. Easy access to KLPJ, Mount Kiara, and etc. What's the first thing that comes to your mind when you hear Bukit Damansara? Tell us in the comment section and let us know where do you want to see next.